Inserting shapes can make the content more aesthetical and logical. As such, key paragraphs can be marked and layout can be beautified. Take this file as an example. Click Edit and select the round rectangle combination icon in Annotation. Select Shape, where we select an arrow shape, and adjust the line width and transparency. Color. Drag your finger to create an arrow shape. Click the arrow again, and drag in the two endpoints of the arrow to adjust its size and position. Click any created shape to change the style, color, and thickness of the line. You can also delete the shape directly. You can also click Tools and select Shape in the Annotation window to insert a shape. For WPS Office on PC, the shape function for PDF is more diversified, so you can download WPS Office on PC to experience it. Did you get it?